Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy trick to make your 3D printed threads screw together smoothly like butter. Let's make fast a simple bolt and a nut. If you know how to make them, you can skip to the next part of the video with the timestamps. Now that we are ready with them, let's see how they look from the inside with a section analysis. If we look closer, we can see that the thread is tight. If you print it out this way, you can have a result like this. You can hear the squeaky sound, and it is really hard to screw on, and it is really hard to remove. So if you have a problem like that, you can easily solve this with this method. With press and pull, you need to highlight the bolt's thread part the following way, and we are making a small offset so the added little gap will help to screw the nut easily. If you have a smaller thread, you have to play with the numbers to make the offset that will good for that one. Now we are ready to print out our test model. And yeah, the screwing in is easy. Absolutely no resistance. The first one is stuck. I can't even remove the nut from the bolt. And the second one is good. Thanks for watching. I appreciate if you press the like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.